The purpose of this video is to demonstrate a feature in the Forecast Integrator that allows you to download both budgets and forecasts. This allows you to view your approved budget during the reforecasting process. So I'm going to start with downloading my approved cost budget. This criteria will do. I don't need to put the plan type because I only have one plan type for costing purposes. Now this form here allows me to choose the source. So we said we're going to download the budget first. So we'll choose that and select it. Okay, there is our approved cost budget. I'm going to copy these details down below and get my forecast. Download my sheet. Change to forecasts. Then I'll clear the criteria. So there we have my budget up front. I can tell it's my budget because this is a budgeting plan type and I have no ETC start date. So this is my budget data followed by my forecast data.